Hi friends, I'm so glad you joined me today. I'm going to show you how to make a fun, easy lava lamp with some things you probably have at home. To make this lava lamp at home, you will need a glass or tall jar, some baking soda, some food coloring or liquid watercolor, some vinegar, and some cooking oil. To start, add baking soda into your jar or glass to fill the whole bottom. You want there to be between 1/4 of an inch and to 1/2 inch of baking soda at the bottom. Then add some food coloring, any color you like. Next, we will add cooking oil, filling 2/3 of the way. The oil now fills the jar 2/3 of the way. The top third of the jar is still empty. Next, we will need 1/4 cup of vinegar. Okay, now we're going to pour the vinegar in very slowly. A little bit, very slowly. Until we see the bubbles start to react. Oh, there goes our blue food coloring. Look at all those fizzy bubbles coming up. I hope you have fun making a lava lamp of your own at home. Bye.